there has been so much new information about the next-gen consoles. I took it upon myself to actually take some notes of some of the main things you should actually know about the next-gen consoles from both Xbox and PlayStation. And my word, there is a lot. Now for most of you that do not know, AMD is going to be the main component that's going to be found with both Xbox and PlayStation, especially with their next-gen consoles. And so far, it's looking to be that, well, AMD is going to be utilized a lot more from PlayStation, but Xbox might actually have more performance. And we'll actually cover later why that actually might not be good for Xbox at all. But yes, both consoles will be utilizing RDNA 5, which means yes, we'll have some good optimized games from both PlayStation and Xbox with some good graphics, which of course, for me, I'm someone that enjoys graphics when it comes to gaming, so this is actually a good point to actually look at. But getting to an information that could be true is that the next-gen Xbox could be actually the last Xbox. Now, the reason why this actually does make sense is that, well, the next-gen Xbox is speculated to be more of a PC system than an actual console. The best way to really describe it is just think of a small box that is a PC, but has a console UI. That's the best way to describe the next-gen console from what we know so far with information. And the best way to actually see this stuff already is to actually look at the Xbox Ally, which is actually a good statement of what we can actually expect of the next-gen console. Now it's currently being speculated that the PS6 will actually have less performance compared to the next-gen Xbox. But the PS6 is also speculated to be more cheaper compared to the next-gen Xbox. Now, we will actually talk about some of the speculative prices that people are actually suggesting, and they actually kind of make sense. But yes, Xbox is rumored to have more performance, but PlayStation will be reaping the reward for being more affordable, which is going to be the first time in a long time to see that PlayStation's consoles will be more affordable for a lot of users. Because of course, Xbox with this current generation we're in right now has the Series S, which is their cheapest console, but with the price increases, that is hard to really say, but still, they still have the cheapest consoles to go for in terms of a console type of system. But there's one information that I think I should actually point out, and that is, well, could I actually expect more PC gamers coming in the next generation of consoles? And this is obviously due to, well, the prices that we could actually expect. Because if the prices of consoles will be closer to $1,000, it will actually probably force more users to actually just go for a PC, because PCs are getting a little bit more cheaper, especially with GPUs getting more affordable, especially with both AMD and NVIDIA's GPUs getting more affordable on the market right now, which is a nice thing to really see right now. And I mean, yet again, to mention, both PlayStation and Xbox games are already found on PC systems, with of course Xbox having their own Xbox app, because as well, of course, Xbox is owned by Microsoft, so that's going to be a standard thing found on PCs. And of course, we also see PlayStation titles found on both Steam and Epic Games. That was in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think console gaming is going to be extremely expensive for the next generation? And do you think PCs will actually be more of a favorable option to go for when it comes to gaming? Well, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, and have a great day. Bye.